Hello people, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, I'll explain. After the failed Arunachal trip, I'm back. Time is 4:45, 23rd of May 2023. I was here on the 18th. I took rest, did nothing. Full bed rest, recovered. Got some energy. Washed this motorcycle today. And when I checked for fluids, the coolant was low. I don't think you can see it. The coolant is low. So a quick DIY fix. We'll refill coolant using this. So as you all know, the tank is down there. So the expansion tank is behind this. Removing all this is tedious process. So gone through some YouTube videos, came up with this idea, someone's idea, useful, helpful. One funnel, a clamp and a small piece of pipe. This should do. This is the coolant from Tram. Recently when we got it checked at Chennai, so we had the coolant flushed and done all that. It's all there in the previous videos. So the remains were given to me. About 500 ml is left. So I can use this to top it up. Let's do it. Just clean off the funnels. It's basically new one. Cleaning off. Just open the lid. Put this in there. Okay. This will stay somewhere. I don't require much. Very little action. Check. I need a torch. Let's try. Yes. You see that place? It's pink. So it's reached the mark which is on top. Yeah. That's it. Turn this off. So that much for coolant top up on the Tiger 800 XAX. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.